Hello children, hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home. Today I am going to teach you addition and subtraction story sums. Okay, exercise 12 story sums. See here, in a farm there are 24 cows and 38 buffaloes. How many? 24 cows and 38 buffaloes in a farm. How many cattle are there in the farm? See, totally how many are there? They are asking. So we will do addition, right? So how we will do how we will write in as a story sums, how you will write? See here, first starting, if addition means total number of, see here, number of cows equal to 24, number of buffaloes equal to 38. Okay, number of cows how much? 24. Number of buffaloes how much? 38. So total number of cattle we have to see. So number of cattle equal to, we have to add. Correct? No, first you have to add in the ones place. 4 plus 8 how much? 4 in your mind, 8 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 how you will write? 12, 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place. 1 to 12 how you will write? 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 1 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 1, 2, 3. 3 in your mind, 3 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. I have already taught you in previous session addition. No, in same way you have to add. You should not forget to add this one also. From top you start in your mind and in your finger. Then what is the answer in your mind and this one in the finger. So the total number of cattle is 62 now. The same way only you have to write all the story sums. Okay, see, if they are asking total number of how many members are there, like that means it is easily understood that it is addition. Okay, see here, in a bus 56 passengers are sitting and 28 passengers are standing. It means, see, in a bus 56 passengers are sitting. Okay, 28 passengers are standing. How many passengers are there in the bus? They are asking. How many passengers are there in the bus? In a bus, 56 are sitting, 28 are standing. So, totally how many are in the bus? They are asking. So, that is addition, right? How you will write? Number of passengers sitting. Number of passengers sitting. How much? 56. Number of passengers standing. How much? 28. So total number. Now you have to tell what is the total number of passengers inside the bus. So how you will write? Total number of passengers equal to, you have to add 6 plus 8. 6 in your mind, 8 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you are writing 4 here and 1 here. Okay, 4 here. 4 in ones place and 1 in tens place. In 14, 1, 4, 14, 1 will be in tens place and 4 will be in ones place. So you are writing 1 in ones place and 1 in tens place and 4 in the ones place. Okay, 1 in your mind, 5 on the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in your mind, 2 on the finger. 6 in your mind, 2 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Answer is 8 here. Okay, answer is 8 here. So total number of passengers how many? 84. Next. In a dance competition, 48 children took part from class 2. See, 48 children took part from class 2 and 39 children from class 3. How many children took part in the competition? They are asking. In 2 classes, second class and third class, 48 and 39 students participated. Totally in 2 classes, how many participated? They are asking. See, number of children took part in class 2. How you have to write? Number of children took part in class 2 equal to 48. Number of children took part in class 3. How much? 39. So what you have to find out? Total number of children took part in the competition. How many you have to add now? Total you have to find means you have to add. 8 in your mind, 9 on the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So in 17, 1 will go to tens place and 7 will be in the ones place. 1, 7, 17 means 1 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. No, for that reason, 7 you are writing in ones place and 1 you are writing in the tens place. 1 in your mind, 4 on the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 3 on the finger. 5 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of children took part in the competition. Total number of children took part in the competition is 87. Okay, understood? Same way, you have to do the remaining sums. Now I will go pass on to exercise 15 story sums. See here. Here this exercise has all subtraction sums. Okay. How you have to find, I will teach you. What is, how, in what way you have to find by reading the question whether it is addition or subtraction, I will tell you. Out of 52 students in the class, see total students they have given. Out of 52 students in the class, 28 are girls. In total class, 52 students, 28 are girls. How many boys are there in the class, they are asking. So total strength they have given in a class. Girls alone 28 they have given. What are the boys, you have to see. So what you have to do, you have to subtract. Only from total number, only boys you have to find out. That means it is subtraction. Number of students 52. Number of students 52. Number of girls, how much? 28. Now you have to find boys. So what you will do? Subtraction. See, 2 and 8 will not go. From 2, 8 will go? No. So what you have to do? You have to cancel this 5 and take 1 tens here. So it will become 12. And this one, as you have given 1 tens here, it will become 4 here. 5. 1 you have given, no. 5 minus 1 is 4. So you are writing 4 here. That is before number here. So 12 in your mind, 8 on the finger. Before 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So what is the answer here? 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 in your mind, 2 on the finger. Before 4, 3, 2. 2 is here. So see, subtraction means always count before numbers. Okay. So total number of boys are 24. If you want to cross verify, what you have to do, this 24 and 28, if you add, 52 will come. Okay. 28 and 24, if you add, 52 will come. So your subtraction is correct. You can find it. Okay. I will do and show. See here. 20. Total number of girls, how much? 28. No. Total number of boys, now how much we have find? 24. So if we add, once again, I will add and show you. See. If you want to cross check, you can add this answer and number of girls. Okay, number of boys and number of girls. If you add, 52 should come. 8 in your mind, 5 on the finger. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in 12, you will write 2 here and 1 in the tens place. No, 1 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 1, 2, 3. 3 in your mind, 2 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5. See here, 52 came. No, so see, total number of students came. Number of boys 28, number of girls 28, number of boys 24. So total how many? 52. See here, if you add this, 52 came. Okay, the same way, if you want any doubt in your subtraction, then you can do this on C to check your answer. Okay, if you want, if you have doubt in your subtraction, then you can add and see so that this total should come. Okay, it is one of the cross verification. Okay, see next sum. Ramesh bought 66 bananas from the market. 38 of them fell on the road. See, he bought 66 bananas. In that, 38 fell on the road and got spoiled. What happened? If it fall down, it will go. No, like that, it has spoiled. How many bananas are left with Ramesh now? How many bananas are left with Ramesh now? The number of bananas, how much? 66. Number of bananas fell, how much? Number of bananas fell, how much? 38. So number of bananas left. See, total number of bananas, they have given 66. In that, bananas, in that, how many bananas had fell, 38 had fell. Now you have to find from 66, 38 goes means how much you have to find. So 6 and 8 will not go. So what you will do, you will cancel this and take 1 tens and put here before 6, 1. So it will become 16. And 1 as you have given here, 1 tens, it will become 5 tens here. Okay, so 16 in the mind, 8 on the finger. Before 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 9, 8. So answer is 8 here. Okay, answer is in 16. If 8 goes, how much? 16 in a mind, 8 on the finger. Before 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Then 5 in the mind, 3 on the finger. Before 5, 4, 3, 2. So 28 bananas are left. In 66, 38 had fell means how much will be left now? Bananas with Ramesh, 28. Okay. Next sum. In the school hall, there are 98 seats, of which 68 seats are occupied. In school, how many seats are there? In a hall, 98 seats are there. In that, 69 seats are occupied means they have sat. How many seats are vacant? How many seats are vacant means empty. No one had sit there. Okay, we will see. Number of seats, how much? Number of seats, 98. Number of seats occupied, how much? 69. So total number of seats vacant. From seats, number of seats, occupied seats are 69. How many are vacant? We have to find means we have to subtract. No, 8 will not go from 9. So what you will do? Cancel this. 1 tens you add to this 8. So 18 it will become. And here you have given, as you have given 1 tens here, 9 will become 8. So 18 in the mind, 9 on the finger. Before 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So 8 in the mind, 6 on the finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 8 minus 6 is 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. So how many seats are vacant now? 29 seats are vacant. Okay. I hope you all understood how to add and how to subtract with regrouping. Okay. And do the story sums. How you have to frame the sentence also I have taught you. Okay. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.